How to withdraw funds from OANDA. First of all, open your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, click on Manage Funds. From this section, select Withdraw. Now choose the account you want to withdraw from, for example, your primary account using the drop-down menu. Next, select your withdrawal method, such as debit or credit card, bank transfer, or other supported options depending on your location. Then click Continue to proceed. After that, enter the amount you want to withdraw and provide the required payment details. For example, if you are withdrawing to a bank account, enter your bank account information as requested. If you are withdrawing to a card, confirm the saved card details. Once done, click Continue. On the next page, review all the information carefully to make sure everything is correct, then click Confirm to submit your withdrawal request. Once submitted, OANDA will process your request. Card withdrawals usually take a few business days, while bank transfers may take longer depending on your bank. Now you have successfully submitted your withdrawal request on OANDA, and your funds will be transferred once the transaction is processed. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.